Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer money to your XM account in 2025. XM is one of the leading online trading platforms, and getting funds into your account is essential for jumping into Forex, stocks, or crypto trading. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, I'll walk you through this step by step, making it easy and hassle-free. First things first, make sure you have your XM account set up and verified. It's crucial for security. Okay, let's dive in. Step 1. Log into your XM account using your email and password. Once you're in, head over to the Deposit or Funds section, usually found in the top menu or dashboard. It's that simple. Next, select your preferred payment method. In 2025, XM supports options like bank transfers, credit cards, e-wallets like PayPal or Skrill, and even cryptocurrencies for faster transactions. Choose wisely based on fees and speed. Bank transfers might take a day or two, while e-wallets are often instant. Now, for step 3. Enter the amount you want to deposit. Double-check this to avoid any mistakes, and keep an eye on any minimum deposit requirements, which could be around $5 to $10 depending on your account type. Then, fill in the necessary details for your chosen method. For example, if you're using a credit card, you'll need to input your card number, expiration date, and CVV. XM uses advanced encryption, so your info stays safe. After that, review everything on the confirmation page. This is your last chance to spot errors, things like the currency or amount. Once you're good, hit Confirm, and follow any additional prompts, like a one-time PIN from your bank. And just like that, your funds should be on their way. Finally, check your account balance to ensure the transfer went through. If you run into issues, XM's support team is available 24/7 via chat or email. Remember, always transfer from a verified source to avoid any fraud. There you have it, folks. Transferring money to your XM account is straightforward once you know the ropes. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more trading tips. See you in the next video.